In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update ReelShort app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to do this, you need to go ahead and access this app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and go to Play Store here. Then using the search icon here, just type in the name of the app. And there we go, it is ReelShort as one word. And to search for it, tap on this search icon, and you can see we have our ReelShort app here. So go ahead and tap on it, and you can see ReelShort Stream Drama and TV. We have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of this app. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any security issues or errors that might be associated with this app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of ReelShort app, then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using this app. So that's how you can update ReelShort app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.